Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically FOREX trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the Futures Week in Review, starting off with the Australian dollar. And we're pretty much going to the short side. Nice overall trade on Tuesday for a 1-2-3 punch out. British pound futures had a 1-2 punch out on Wednesday and Thursday. Canadian dollar futures overall entry here, out here. We're using FTM as our guide. Initial overall momentum to the short side, less than the previous column, and out after Thursday. Euro, nice 1-2 punch out. We had a lot of volume to the downside. Japanese yen, beautiful 1-2-3 punch out from Wednesday to Friday. Mexican peso, overall about a break-even trade, and then trade on Friday. So for Monday, there will be a buy on the open, sell on the close. New Zealand dollar, beautiful 1-2-3 punch out. This is the one that made the most headway to the downside, hitting the Z3 excursion. Swiss franc, another 1-2-3 punch out. South African rand, initial gain here, about break even, then we gave it back here on Thursday and Friday. Bitcoin is kind of all over the map, and overall loss on Thursday. Cocoa, initial gain, and now have a sell in the open on futures Monday night. Crude, overall gain, and then kind of gave it back on Thursday and Friday. Cotton, beautiful 1-2, another 1-2 for nice overall gain on cotton futures. Milk, we have an overall short to the downside on Friday. It'll be selling the open on Monday night and buy to cover on Tuesday afternoon. Dollar, initial 1-2-3 punch out with a rise in the dollar. S&P E-mini, amazing here. Overall 1-2 punch out for nice overall gain on the E-mini for overall gain of 32.75 points. At $50 a point for one contract, that's $6,550 in one day. Not too shabby for an overall trade. We have an overall trade for Monday night and selling on Tuesday afternoon after the Memorial Day weekend. Gold, we had a 1-2-3 punch out. Feeder cattle, no real trades here. We had an initial gap on the overall change in the continuous contract. Lean hogs, nice overall trade here for a 1-2, another 1-2 for Thursday and Friday overall gains. Copper futures, overall loss here. Initial gain, gave it back, and then we have a trade Monday night and close out on Tuesday to the upside. Coffee, no trade. Look at FTM, not in agreement. HRW wheat, initial loss here, another loss here. Wheat kind of all over the map. Lumber to the downside. Initial scratch, and then another overall gain to the downside on lumber. Live cattle, overall gain on Monday, Tuesday. Nice overall gain on Wednesday, Thursday to close out. Natural gas, overall loss, closed above the overall high of this particular candle for natural gas. Incredible gap up. EKA, loss on Monday and Tuesday. Overall gain to get portioned back, then gained another additional portion overall. 2 cancels out the overall high and low of this particular candle. Norwegian krone, nice 1-2 punch out, another 1-2 punch out for overall gain. NASDAQ, overall loss on the first, got it back on Wednesday, then a huge return, buy on Thursday, and then end on Friday. Orange juice, beautiful 1-2-3-4 punch out. Started on Friday, continued all the way through Wednesday. Beautiful trade and closed out at the Z3 excursion. FTM lower than the previous bar, so we were out on this particular bar. Palladium, initial loss here, no further trade the rest of the week. Platinum, overall trade here on Tuesday, nice 1-2-3 punch out towards the Z3 excursion. Polish Zloty, no trade the whole week. FTM and candles not in agreement. Gasoline, overall gain here, overall loss here, then an overall gain. Close out Friday, wonderful overall gain, and then on Monday night to Tuesday we have an overall trade with volume and support to the upside. Russell, overall loss here, and then trade on Friday on the open on Monday and close on Tuesday. Housing trade, nice 1-2 punch out. Nice overall trade for Monday, Tuesday. Sugar, 1-2 punch out. Swedish krona, nice 1-2-3 punch out. Beautiful trade overall. Silver futures, loss here on Friday, Monday, and another trade here. No further trade on the drawdown here on silver. 10-year treasuries, beautiful 1-2-3 punch out. 20-year, same thing, 1-2-3 punch out. Treasury bond futures ultra, nice 1-2-3 punch out for overall gain. VIX, 1-2 punch out, and now we're in the short for Monday, Tuesday. E-mini technology, loss overall, gained it back here, this overall trade, and then a huge overall gain on Friday. Dow, the YM, overall gain, $1,390 gain on 278 points to the downside. Having an overall buy for Monday, Tuesday for YM. T-bond, over a 1-2-3 punch out, nice overall gain. Corn futures, beautiful 1-2 punch out, 1-2 punch out, and then a nice trade set up for buying on Monday, Tuesday. 5-year note, nice 1-2-3 punch out. Soybean meal, nice 1-2 punch out. Overall loss on Friday. You give it back. Pretty much break even for soybean meal. 10-year note, nice 1-2-3 punch out. Beautiful overall gain on the 10-year. 30-day federal funds interest rate, nice 1-2, and no further trade the rest of the week. Soybean futures, no trade. FTM were not in agreement. Overall trade for Monday, Tuesday for soybean futures to the upside. 2-year note for Friday, Monday, nice 1-2 punch out, and then a nice 1-2-3 punch out for the 2-year note. Wheat futures, overall loss here. Another buy entry on Friday to the upside. We'll see you on Monday and Tuesday night. Well, that's all I have for the futures. If you're interested in these strategies going forward or programming in both PineScript or Python, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and I'll see you on Monday night. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.